Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to hide all your Facebook photos at once. So let's get started right now. So what you wanna do, guys, you wanna open your Facebook account and then you wanna click your menu at the very bottom right and just scroll down a little bit and then click settings and privacy, the second option. And then you wanna click settings, okay? Just click settings and you wanna scroll down a little bit until you see where it says profile and tagging. As you can see it, just click it, and after that there will be a lot of settings here to change. For example, you can change who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile. So make sure to click more at the very bottom. You want to click more and then click only me. Okay, this is when you click only me, all the photos that you are tagged in, maybe you have a photo with your friends and there is your face in the photo and you don't want anyone to see it, you don't want anyone to see your Facebook photos, just click only me. And you can change also a lot of settings. For example, who can post on your profile, you can do only me. You can change who can see what others post on your profile. You can also click more and then click only me. You can literally do a lot of things here. So if this video helps you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. I only have 100 subscribers. See you guys in the next video.